Hey everyone, it's Thomas Jackson with Covalent here at the National High Magnetics Laboratory, also known as the MagLab. We're here celebrating their 25th year. Pretty special. Big banner right behind us. Pretty amazing event, honestly. It's one of those little treasures we have right here in our own backyard that a lot of people don't know about. It's amazing set of displays inside where they have this amazing map they put together. It kind of really takes you on the entire tour, where they have stations set up where different scientists are walking you through actual experiments and showing you the actual equipment that they work in every day. Really excited about this event, so I wanted to do a video where we can kind of showcase and highlight, recap some of the special things that happen here, and hopefully you'll come out if you've never seen it before and come take a look. It's an amazing event to come bring your family and have your kids come get inspired by seeing actual scientists do real science, and I couldn't be more proud to have them right here in our backyard. So let's go in and check it out.
Hi, welcome to MagLab. There's fun in every direction.
Awesome, thank you so much.
You can actually hear the electron sing in the magnetic field.
There's instruments over here to measure the mass of molecules. So petroleum has tens of thousands of different compounds in it when we pull it out of the ground. So this right here is the Deepwater Horizon oil spilled in the BP oil spill. And so you can see it's this dark brown color, low viscosity, very like milk-like. And then we've studied how sunlight can change it. So after it's been in sunlight, this one's we irradiated in the lab here, but it simulates sunlight in the environment. And tons of new compounds form through photooxidation. So pretty much just when sun hits oil that's on water, it can take on a lot of oxygen and form tons of new compounds. So this sample had about like 15,000 different compounds when we just analyzed it before, and then after it formed about 30 or 20,000 new compounds. This one had over double the amount of compounds present before. And so it forms this thick emulsion, kind of like peanut butter. And we also have found that a lot of the compounds go into water, so if you add enough oxygen to anything, it can dissolve in water. So that has a lot of environmental impacts.
So my name is Holly Brown. I'm with the National Science Foundation, and we are a federal agency, and we fund science and engineering research in the United States. We're very excited to be here at MagLab's 25th anniversary, because it's also our 70th anniversary this year. What we have today is a virtual reality demonstration with our Ice Cube neutrino facility. It's a real building in Antarctica. We're studying neutrinos, which are very small, nearly massless particles. And this detector can actually find them coming in from outer space. The VR experience that we have here is a program that's funded by NSF. One of our researchers allows us to demonstrate it for them. I've actually been able to see as it's changed over time. They are studying how students are learning about neutrinos and about these concepts by actually testing this virtual reality with them. So I've actually been able to see it iterate over time and how it's improved and how students are improving their learning with VR.
Three D printing is enhancing opportunities to create impossible geometry. That's the biggest advantage of it. That's called additive machinery, and it also has some disadvantages. In case we need something very complex, we combine the old style cutting style of machining and additive technology which 3D printers allow us to do. So there are a couple of very small 3D printed stainless steel and titanium pieces we were using in some magnet probes for some science experiments. It was really cool to see and have it work, because 3D metal printing is actually only starting right now. It was making impossible geometry, and that's why we were using 3D printing, but we had to finish some surfaces, some threaded holes, and so on and so forth.
Thomas Jackson here at the National High Magnetics Laboratory in Tallahassee. Little, treasure piece, honestly, in our own backyard. We're gonna around and check out some more magnets down here. Come check it out.
The challenge is to grab any piece of paper that you want, place it along the scale where you think it's where it goes, and then we brought a geologist from Europe to check your answer.
Right now we're heading over to the High Performance Materials Institute. What do you think is your favorite thing you've seen so far?
Oh, there's been so much. I'd honestly probably say the electrical discharge machining. 10,000 some odd volts through a wire. They can cut any type of precision metal. That was exciting.
What do you expect to happen? In the middle part, will it become shrink or expand? That's it.
Shrink.
It will shrink, right? For most of the material. But for our red form, you can try yourself. Like stretch.
Oh wow.
Yeah,
Expand.
it's feel.
Right.
This one is more dense.
More dense.
Yeah.
Right.
So this is our better energy.
So basically what I do is I make solar cells here. But the typical way you make solar cells is with silica. And you take that out of the earth and purify it. And you melt it down to crucibles at some really high temperatures, like 100 degrees Celsius. But what we do here, the new type of solar cells, is with solution processing. So you just take the chemical and you drop it on the spin coater and add each layer like paint.
Okay.
And the maximum temperature we use is about like 200 degrees Celsius. So the concept is that we would have our chemicals are like the paint. It's not as fun color as this, but it's pretty simple, and it's only about like you drop it on, spin it, and about like a minute later you have your first layer.
Ta-da! All right, so unfortunately that's all we got time for today, folks. We came, we saw, we conquered. This place is absolutely amazing. From the Jet Propulsion Laboratory to the National High Magnetics Laboratory to HPMI, the High Performance Materials Institute. This place has got it all, honestly, and could spend an entire weekend here and not see it all. So subscribe if you want to see more stuff like this. We're going to try and come out here and do a lot more interesting stuff, science-based, and just get really nitty-gritty in the whole science world. We love this stuff. It's what we near and dear to our hearts, and like I said, this is a great place for the family. Bring your family out here. They do this every year, and it's free. It's such a interesting thing that we have a part of our community, so take advantage of it.